Have you ever opened your phone to check one message and suddenly an hour is gone? You were supposed to work, study, or build something, but instead you scrolled, clicked, watched, and forgot. Here's the truth. It's not your fault. You were never taught how to focus. But today, you will learn how to take it back. Most people think focus is about trying harder, but that's a lie. According to Deep Work by Newport, focus is a skill, not a feeling, and like all skills, it must be trained. The modern world is engineered to break your attention. Endless notifications, short-form content, open tabs, and the worst enemy, your own mind, craving easy dopamine. In Hyperfocus by Chris Bailey, he explains that your brain can either focus deeply, hyperfocus, or drift endlessly, scatter focus. Most people live in scatter mode, addicted to distraction. So how do you fix it? Here are 3 focus techniques from the most powerful minds. 1. Do the hardest task first. From Eat That Frog. Brian Tracy says, if you eat a frog first thing in the morning, nothing worse will happen that day. Do your hardest task first. It builds momentum, and momentum builds focus. 2. Train deep work. From Deep Work. Set a timer for just 30 minutes. No phone, no internet, no distractions, just you and your task. It will feel hard, like lifting weights for your brain, but it becomes your superpower. 3. Respect laziness. From the Art of Laziness. Laziness isn't the enemy. Unmanaged laziness is. Rest with intention. Take breaks on purpose. Reward yourself after the work. Don't avoid laziness. Control it. Most people will stay distracted forever. Scrolling, numbing, quitting. But not you. You've seen the trap, and now you have the tools to break it. Remember this. The world belongs to the focused, not the smartest, not the fastest, but the one who can sit still and build. Will that be you?